Hello guys, yeah, so this is the part three. Yeah, I mean one, two, three of our data analysis with pivot tables in Excel. All right, now we moving deeper gradually, and today we're going to discuss some advanced features. Yeah. I call it advanced because it adds more insight into your data, right? Okay, so um we can do this. This is very basic. And let's say your boss would like to know that, oh, just give me the sum, the total sales for each month, irrespective of whether 2013, 2014, just all the years from the data that we have. We have 2013 to 2015. So we just want to know the total sales for January, February, March, April, May, November to December. That is what we have. So we pull months under rows, then we have the sales to give us the sum of sales under what values. So what we have over here is the total sales for January, and that to what? December. And that is the total sales for all the months. Now there's a key function over here. I'm going to introduce that very soon. But hi guys, you can add something more to this one if you want to know the average sales, okay? The average. So let's say we want to calculate the average. All right, so we don't have any average over here. Do we? We don't. It is the same sales that we are going to pull, and then we are going to change it from the sum to what? Average. So we still maintain this one. We go ahead, we click on this, we bring it down here. All right, so you have sum of sales, what? 2. Okay, so that is the field over here. Now click on that, click on value field settings. Okay. All right. So we don't want sum, we want average. And we're going to say that we're going to change the name to average of or sales average. Okay, average of sales, sales average. Let me see. Average of sales. Okay, let's maintain that. Okay. So then we click on what? Okay. All right. So that's what you see over here. So the average sales for January is what we have over here. 8555.6. Mind you that this is a accumulation of 2013 to what? 2115. Okay. So you don't want to be you don't need to be writing complex functions with the help of pivot tables. That is just a drag and drop. You make some changes and you are going to get that. So we have what? Average of sales. So whatever maybe what the sales average of, yeah, you can just change the name that we have over here. So and that of February, we have that 965.53240. You can change these values. That is, you can highlight them. I'm talking about its precision. So you can highlight this and you can just go use this drop down over here. You select on, you choose the currency, accounting, you manipulate it, the decimal values and that. So yeah, the average sales, and you can do that yourself. Okay, you introduce some symbol over here, whether CD, dollar, or whatever, pound. Get it? Okay, so we have average of sales. Now, there is something interesting over here that I want to introduce you to guys, okay? And that is percentage of something, percentage of what? Oh, so we have percentage of grand what total, percentage of grand total, and what is the meaning of that? So percentage of grand total shows each value as a percentage of the grand total. So, all right, so this is your total, and your boss is not actually interested in the figures. Okay, so I've seen the grand total to be 3254576.95. I just want to know the percentage that January contributed to the total sales or the grand total. Yeah, so what is the percentage of January in this? What is the percentage of February in this? And what is the percentage of March all the way to December in this? So we have shows its value as a percentage of the grand total. So you want to know, oh, okay, apart from the values, we are not going to use values, we are going to use percentage to know the month that performs very well or that performed very well from January all the way, no, from 2013 to 2015, we just want to deal with what? Percentages. Okay. So pretty good, very simple. Let's see how we're going to do that. So we have percentage of grand what total. Now we're still going to use the sales. The sales failed. Yeah. So we just go to pull this one and just drop it over here. So we have another sum of sales too, but we're not going to use this. Okay. So you click on that. That is the drop down. Then you click on value field settings. Okay. Now with the value field settings, okay, so let's change this one. Let's say percentage of, let's quickly change the name. So we have percentage of grand total or total sales, percentage of total sales of grand total, whatever. Let me just put a grand total. You can just put in the name that you want. Okay. Now, we are not going to deal with summarize values by, we are going to use show values as. Okay, so you see the show values as, no calculation yet. We're going to talk about some of these things, but we're going to start with percentage of grand total. Percentage, yeah, percentage. Okay, now, so you click on this drop down, then you select percentage of grand total. Okay, click on okay. All right, and that's what we have over here. Fantastic. So what do we have over here? Basically saying that, okay, from the total sales that we have over here, 3254,576.95, January was 15.77%. February, okay, was also 16.02%. Then we have 13, 19. Oh, that sounds pretty good. So we have 16.19.68. Yeah. And if we go to check the value for April, so we have 640,494, 640,000. Yeah, I think this one is the biggest among the sum of sales that we have over here, right? Cool. That is beautiful. Fantastic. So, you don't need to be cracking your head. I just want to find a percentage, the formula that I'm going to use. Oh, no, you don't need to do that. So that is the power of what you can use pivot tables to do. Okay, so that's what we have over here. Now, there's also another thing that we are going to introduce. I'm not going to show you that one. It's below. Okay, so just watch out for the next tutorial. So this one is just percentage of what? Grand total. Okay. All right. Now you can present this to your boss. Fantastic. So we have sum of totals over here. We have average of sales. We have percentage of what? Grand total. All right, guys. Thanks for watching this section of our episode, or thanks for watching this particular tutorial, and subscribe. Click on the notification button because we're going to take you guys along. We want you to become a data what? To be able to analyze data. Analyst. All right. Thank you and have a nice day.